Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about how to connect to the database, how Laravel projects connect to database. So the first one you will learn configure the database, check out database, import the database, and the last one you will feed the data from MySQL. So let's go together. In order to configure the database configuration, you can go to here env, click on it. You see here is MySQL and the port is already put in. Okay, it's by default. You can change it after to the server. Okay, and here is the database name and user and password. So my database name here, my database name here is inventory. I want to use the database, and inside it I have two tables. The first one is customer T customer. I click on it. You see here is there are two rows of data, so I will get this data to show in the Laravel projects. So we move back to our projects and configure together. Our database name is inventory. Okay, inventory. Here is the username. In this case, I use my root user, and the password is empty. If the user have a password, you can put in here 123 or something like that. So in this case, it's empty. So I save it. And after you configure this will execute in the config, and here database.php, click on it. You will see here MySQL, and you find here ports, db ports. It comes from env file. It comes from here. You can see database env db database. Okay, so it will execute in these files. Okay, now I create once. So I clear it. I want to create one controller PHP artisan mix controllers. So put controller name. My controller is customer controllers. Enter it. So I go to that controller. In here, controllers. Click on it. I create one function, and function name index, and I return some string here. Just put hello from customer controllers. Okay, then I create one row for this function. Row get, sorry, the URL is customer, and sorry, controller name customer controller class, and then you put the function index. Here is my function. So don't forget import the controller. So use apps slash http slash controllers slash customer customer controllers. Okay, so now let's test my project. So I start my project, addition cell. Okay, it has customer, enter it. Okay, that's fine. So now I want to get the data from this customer in here. So I go to controller again, and here I import the DBs. So use terminates slash support, and then DBs. Sorry, we forget fetch. Okay, fetch case and call DB. So here I return, I want to get the data, so DB select T customer. Here is the table name, so I save it and I refresh page again. Okay, you will see here is the data come from here. You see one is Alex, you can see here is Alex. Okay, so if you have any question, you can comment, you can raise your question below my videos, and please have to subscribe my channel. And in the next video I will show you how to connect to the database with model and how to use it. Okay, so thank you for watching.